Kipling Women's Art Medium Tote Bag. Kipling Women's Art Medium Tote Bag. Lightweight large weekender, travel handbag. The Art Medium Tote is one of our favorite bags for travel and on the go. Its spacious interior, cool design, and handy pockets make it a versatile style that can be used as a gym bag, beach bag, work tote, weekender, and everyday handbag. Plus, Art M is equipped with exposed zippers at the corners, so you can change up the silhouette from tote to satchel. And the trolley slip sleeve fits over the handle of your wheeled luggage for easy carrying. Made from Kipling's signature water-resistant, easy-to-clean nylon. This versatile pack is lightweight at just 1.1 pounds with a spacious 26-liter capacity. Thoughtfully designed to be the perfect bag for shopping, work. Keep your belongings safe, organized, and in reach with art. At Kipling, it's more important to have personal style than perfect style. That's why our quality, durable bags are sold in over 80 countries and come in fun colors for all. Color green moss. See 25 options with no featured offers. Size 23 foot L x 12.75, H x 7.5 D. Medium 22.75 inch L x 12.5, H x 7.75 D. 22.75 inch L x 14.5, H x 7.75 D. 22.75 foot L x 12.5, H x 7.75 D. 23 inch L x 12.75, H x 7.5 D. 23 foot L x 12.75, H x 7.5 D. 23 foot L x 12.75, H x 7.5 D. 7.75 foot L x 12.5, H x 22.75 D. Brand Kipling. Model Art Medium Tote Bag. Material water-resistant nylon. Best for travel, work, school, and everyday use. If you enjoyed this review, please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more handbag reviews, travel gear guides, and fashion hauls.